afternoon exercise here. 4 o'clock. Cleaned up poop from little Gunner boy because he had too much food, I think, in the travel. So he pooped inside. Got all that cleaned up. Gunner! Will you guys stop? So this is what you're up for. Gunner! This is what you're up for. I think Pistol has met his match. Maybe not. Maybe Gunner has. This was going on last night too. I didn't film it because I was trying to get some work done. Non-stop. What are you guys doing? Too much. Careful. Gunner! Gunner, knock it off. You okay, Pistol? Alright, kids. Gunner! Stop. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Oh, he's crazy, right?